chance to win! Not if I get there first! Catch me if you can! Whoa! I almost crashed! Don't worry, I've got you! You won't beat me! We'll see about that! Looks like we're a team after all! Best race ever! Teamwork felt pretty good.
Told you speed is better with a friend.
Respect! Spirit of Cooperation Award goes to Tom and Jerry.
And a banana for me.
We share the win and the trophy. Ready for our next adventure? As long as we ride together. See you on the next lap!